Now look, we've shown a ton of functionality that is unique to SOLIDWORKS sketching and helps you get your job done faster. But there are just as many unique advantages found in SOLIDWORKS part and assembly environments as well. Let's look at a few. In the part environment, identifying specific features is the critical first step in making changes. SOLIDWORKS calls out the name of the features when you pan over the geometry and highlights the corresponding geometry when you select in either the graphic area or the feature manager tree. Watch what happens when I select a feature. All the related dimensions are shown, and these dimensions become part of a dynamic interface. I can see how the model will react to changing dimensions simply by dragging the dimension values. Beautiful. The definition of each feature can also be changed easily. I simply right-click on a feature and I can quickly edit all aspects. For this extrude feature, you may notice that I can define the distance of the extrusion in two independent directions. Surprisingly, you'll see you cannot do this in all CAD systems. Filleting may sometimes cause a problem when making changes to complex parts. You may notice that these side fillets were created together in one step, but a change to a single edge fillet can easily be accomplished with SOLIDWORKS. SOLIDWORKS not only changes the specified radius, but then intelligently breaks the new fillet out into its own feature. This is extremely important because to model fillets correctly, users will often need to apply them in different orders. Independent fillet groups enable quick reorder. If you need to create left and right versions of a part, you can easily utilize the mirror part command. But in SOLIDWORKS, you'll have the unique power of preserving the entire feature tree. Now it's easy to create left-handed variations that are slightly different than the right-handed versions. It's a simple task, but surprisingly difficult to do in other systems. Let's take a look at Inventor and see how it handles editing a similar part. Well, right away you'll notice feedback is limited. I get no callouts or cross-highlighting of features. When I do select geometry, I sometimes will see a dot. This invokes grips, Inventor's visual mode of editing. Unfortunately, it lacks the dynamic feedback you get with SOLIDWORKS. Edits become more of a trial and error process. Can I edit the extrude so it extends to different lengths in two directions? Not easily. The extrude command inside Inventor only allows mid-plane extrusions in two directions. I can edit a specific edge's fillet radius, but Inventor does not break it out as its own feature, so reorder is not possible without serious manual intervention. How about the mirrored part? Inventor does have a tool to create a mirrored instance, but unfortunately, it's a dumb solid with no feature information. The list goes on and on. SOLIDWORKS simply has more tools and capabilities to help you build and edit models faster and easier than Autodesk Inventor.